61%, baby girl. That's a huge percentage. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, I am Elaine, and today's video is a little different. It's a little different or whatever. So I was curious into learning where my ancestors are from. I mean, of course I'm Haitian, but I want to know, you know, most Haitian, like 95% of Haitians ancestors are African. If y'all don't claim you are African, honey, you are lying to yourself. I'm letting you know now, okay? These they ain't for sure, period. But so I was really interested in knowing like what part are my ancestors from. So I decided to take the Ancestry DNA test. Basically, I'm a little shocked by the answers that came back. I'm a little surprised, but at the same time, it's good information to me. It's good to know. And basically, yeah, like, it's nice to know where your roots are from, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how accurate it is, I don't know. But it's just, I thought it would be something interesting to do, something fun, something enjoyable. I mean, you learn something in the process, and it only costs $50 to do, so why not? Why not, okay? I just want to say, do y'all peep the glow? Girl. Baby girl. Do y'all peep what's happening here? Girl, my little girls, they trying to show each other. They're trying to show themselves to y'all, but I'm telling them I gotta keep them in here, okay? Anyway, so this is the box that it comes on. Okay, so first step is you just you go on the website ancestrydna.com, and I think they have different things that you can do. Like, you can see what health issues based on your DNA. I don't know, something like that. But I just wanted to know, like, okay, where are my ancestors from? Like, what part of Africa, you know, so I can embrace my Africa. Like, nah. So yeah, but basically, I just thought it was something interesting to do and something fun. So I went on there and I did the whole Ancestry DNA. It was like $50. So it's like a kit that comes in, and basically it comes in like this box. I don't even know if you guys can see it. Okay, I don't know. It comes in this box, okay? And basically, it's gonna say you need to activate your kit online, and then you need to gather DNA. So it had this small bottle, and you put your saliva in there, period, okay? And you send the thing back, and then you activate it on your laptop or whatever. And after that, it took like a couple of weeks to get the result back from the thing. I don't know why. I mean, I think they had to like do all this stuff. It got said it was gonna be ready by this date, but then it wasn't ready. So I was like, oh, I just want to know. But nevertheless, a little souvenir or whatever. The results are in, baby. They are in. Are y'all ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? And when I name these places, if you from there, make sure you comment below, okay? Because honey, we are sisters now, okay? We family, we cousins now, okay? I'm just letting you know. So my phone had died because I was doing a little TikTok video. But if you guys not following me on TikTok, follow me at lalunehaiti. I will leave my name below. Also follow me on Instagram at lalunehaiti. Also, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now, because this video is about to get popping, okay? It's already popping because I'm popping. But make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell below so you guys can know when I put out a new video. Period. Point blank. Alright, y'all. So let me screen record. in. So we can start from the top. Okay, listen, I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce these countries right, so if I don't, please don't comment on some you don't even know how to pronounce it. Like, I'm trying my best, okay? So it says, drum roll please. It says 61%, 61%, baby girl, that's a huge percentage. Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples. Where y'all at? So that's what 61%. Basically, it just tells you like an estimate of what you are, I think, what you are. So 61% Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu people. And it also like lists little like a little history of it, like extending through the heart of Africa. Blah blah blah. Started about 3,000 years ago. Today the region is home to unrivaled ethnic and linguistic diversity. Okay. Alright, but let's go back. So the next percentage, I know these people are high. The next percentage, okay, y'all, cause y'all love y'all country, baby. Crazy thing is about this percentage, my mom used to always say like, oh, cause I told her like, I'm like, oh, my boyfriend is Nigerian. And she's like, oh, I just said it. Ah! Wait, let's go back. Well, since I already told y'all, 25% Nigeria. Okay, so your girl's always been a Nigerian girl, I guess. I mean, 25% Nigerian, but it's so crazy because my mom used to always be like, our ancestors are from Nigeria. I'm like, girl, you don't even know what you're saying. Like, you know, people in Haiti, like, look, the old people. I'm like, mom, like, you say anything, like, you don't even know if our ancestors are from Nigeria. But that's all you say. But you know what? It turns out she was right. So I guess she knew her facts the whole time. And then it goes on to say like 5% Mali, 3% Benin and Togo, 2% Ireland and Scotland, 2% England. I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it Wales or Wales? I don't know. And Northwestern Europe, and 2% Ghana. Ghana, I see you. I see you, Ghana. You peep through. You peep through a little bit with your little 2%, but I see you. Anyways, I think this thing changes throughout. That's what I heard. It changes on and on, like it updates every couple months. I don't know if that's true, but that's what I hear. But nevertheless, I am excited. I feel like it's really nice to always take these tests or whatever you call them and just, you know, it's joy to you, you know what I'm saying? Like now that I, you know, a little of this, a little of that, a little of this, you know, I know the African ancestors. I mean, we are all African, honey, but honey, now I can be like, bitch, I'm from the same. Yeah, I think this was really fun. It's really nice. I mean, listen. Like I said, if you're from any of these countries, we family, okay? We cousins, we sisters, we everything. Period. Okay, so what is my reaction to that? I mean, y'all know my reaction. Y'all know my reaction. I do not have to make this video any longer than it needs to be, okay? I don't need to. Y'all just know, y'all can see my face, y'all can see the smile. I'm excited. I mean, like, Haiti, 95% of your population is African, okay? Our ancestors are African. Because, I mean, I heard, actually, it was one of my friends, but she heard this one girl that she's Haitian, but she don't claim she's African. I don't know what's up with y'all not claiming y'all African when y'all are clearly as black as me. I'm not saying, I'm just saying, like, most of us, our ancestors are from Africa, period. Like, most likely all of us. But it's just good to know what part of stuff is so big, sis. It's good to know what part exactly are you from, okay? Okay, guys. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys took the test and found out where your ancestors are from or the percentage, leave a comment below so we can compare, sis, so we can see if we're sisters, if we're cousins, if we, you know what I'm saying. Let's just see where we at, you know. Holla at me. But if you would like to take the test also, you know, be sure to take it, and also leave a comment below. Leave a comment about what was your favorite part of this video. Leave a comment below about what I can't speak. Leave a comment below about what was your favorite part of this video. Also leave a comment below about what you like, what you didn't like. Alright, hold on. If you didn't like something, I don't know, never mind. But leave a comment below about what you liked. Like this video, okay, thumbs it up. Subscribe, okay, hit the bell below so you can know every single time I post a new video. So make sure you hit the bell so you can know every time I post a video. You want to see me, right? Hit the bell, period. So yeah, make sure you guys hit the bell so you can know every time I post out another video, a new video. Make sure you watch my old videos, and I have some amazing videos coming out, as you guys can see. Honey, it's almost summer, okay? I'm ready. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me on Instagram right now, okay? Follow me, DM me, comment, whatever you gotta do, like, do it. On TikTok also, I don't know, I'm kind of enjoying it now, so okay. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I mean, how many times I gotta say it? Make sure you subscribe to my video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share the video. And I don't know, like, just I don't know. I don't know. Just make sure you guys comment on this video. Gosh. Anyway, just make sure you guys comment on this video, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Love you. Bye.